Welcome back, ladies. How you all doing today? I hope you all are having a great day. Thank you all so much for stopping by today. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. So for today's video, we're going to jump right into it. Today I'm going to be featuring and working with this company 72 Styles. It's an infinity dress. You all might have seen it. I've seen it like a while ago, like on YouTube, on Instagram, but I am so privileged to work with this company today. Thank you so much for partnering with me on this video. I'm so excited because you all know I'm all about looking good is not equal to breaking the bank. If you can style an outfit in so many ways and it's very functional, why not? Oh yes. So today I'm so excited to present this infinity dress by 72 Style. I've already brought it out of the packaging. It's an infinity dress, a bridesmaid dress, and it can go for any other occasion depending on how you want to style it. I hope I'm going to be able to style it in so many ways for you ladies to see. Alright, you all know I love to restyle an outfit in so many ways, and I love to take from what I have in my closet and recreate it into another look entirely, making it look like a brand new. That is why I'm so excited to feature this brand today. Ladies, this is what I'm talking about. It's an infinity dress, which means you can style it in so many ways. If I am looking on this side, ladies, sometimes you might see me looking on this side. I want to make sure that my camera is recording because sometimes it will stop and I do not want to waste a lot of time. All right, so this is the dress that I'm talking about. This is emerald green, which I am loving so much. They have different types of color on their website, different types of dresses on their website as well, and this could go for a bridesmaid. Also it could go for cocktail, it could go for an evening event. Trust me, it depends on how you want to style it. Ladies, please do not forget to click the like button when you watch this video, because I know you're going to learn a lot here today. You're going to see so many styles so many ways I'm going to recreate with this infinity dress. And please let me comment in the comment section. Let me know your thoughts about this video. So here is the dress, like I mentioned before, and it came with this tube that I'm going to be using to restyle. You all know, if you've been following my channel, you will know I always say the best for the last. It's not intentional. I just feel like the best should be for the last, so that you can stay glued to this channel and watch to the end. Please, I am encouraging you to do that, because the best of the way I'm going to style this is always towards the end, and the beginning is not going to be boring. The way that I'm going to style this dress, it's going to be different from what you have seen on YouTube and on Instagram. I'm sure of that, ladies. Please stay in there and watch this video. Don't leave. So I'm starting with the first style. This is how it looks on me, like that. So I'm going to start with the one I'm going to create first. So I'm going to go with something like halter neck. So I'm going to wrap the rope around my neck, like so, just to create this kind of look. All right, this is a style on its own, if you all can see. Let me show you how the back is looking, but we're not going to leave it like this. I'm going to go ahead and lap it at the back, then come to the front, go this way. This is our first style. All right, ladies.
Your eyes tell me that you don't want to leave just yet. No, my eyes agree.
So for the second style, I want to make sure that this side that they cut out is actually below my breast line, because that's how it's supposed to be. It's just that I don't want to expose too much. All right, so I'm just being cautious. But no, don't worry. So we're going for the second style. We're still going to go the way it was, but this time we're going to take this to tuck it in and put it inside the loop, which is this one that I created here, like so. We can also leave it like this, but I feel like it's just too long, so I'm gonna go ahead and do some kind of twining. Yes, like so. Now that we have both at the back, you all can see, like so. I'm gonna go ahead and cross it over, lap it at the front, then tie again. You can tie or you're tucking, In this, I decided to tuck it in, and this is how the second style is looking. This is the back, and this is the front. That's the second one. We're going to move to the third one. So for the third styling, we're going to go this way. I'm going to take this to the side as well, so we have the boats at the side like so. All right, then I'm going to take the long rope, tie it in a way, say so, wrap it around. That's what I meant to say. And I'm just going to adjust it, then I will reveal the style to you all. And here is the third style. Look at that. This is the back, and this is the front.
I want you and I can't wait. Don't want to spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to.
You can go ahead and just drop this to create another style without moving anything. I said that. We didn't move anything except this.
How to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me want.
And from this, we can recreate another style. Just it's all about just creating. I'm going to tuck this under. This is another style, just from the other one. I just tuck in the one that is lapping, and this is what I came up with.
Say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do.
The next style, we're going to go ahead and tie the knots right here. Also, I'll do the same to the other side. And here are the knots that I created. So we're going to take this and this, as usual, lap.
Do for your body, so give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby, so come give me love. You know you're mine, baby, so come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this.
Here is another style from the one that I did not one side and this side. So I just lap it to make an alternate. And I'm going to go ahead and, as usual, you know, this rope has to go somewhere, right? So we're going to go ahead and tie it again.
Every time we kiss, can't get enough, baby. So come give me love, all of your love. I can't fake it. When I'm with you, my legs go weak. Yeah. Can you hear it? I think my heart just skipped a beat. Yeah. This feeling.
Ladies, I lost the count. I don't know what number of style I am right now, but we move, okay? Please, if you are still watching this video up until this time, please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, and please leave me a comment in the comment section. Let me know your thoughts about this infinity dress from 72 Styles. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section, please, ladies, and please do endeavor to share. You never can tell. Any of your friends or family might find it entertaining, informative, or educative. You never can tell.
And it's getting so strong. Love me till the morning, love me all night long. There's something special about you. You're the one that I want.
So I tucked it in again. I just don't like, I don't like tying on the side too much. So this is what I came up with, and this is the back.
So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, babe.
Here is another style that I'm going to create, starting like so. Okay, looking at my mirror here, we go this way. Okay, overlap like so. Here is the other style, and this is how this one is looking at the front, and here is the back.
Baby, so come give me love. You know you're my baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love. All of your
from this style, this came to my mind. I'm gonna go ahead and just wrap it all around my arm and see, create some kind of like a mono strap. All right, let's see how that's gonna turn out. So the other side of the rope, I just wrap it around and I tucked it in at the front, and I just kind of lifted, you know, tuck this side in, and this is how this is looking. Let's look at the back.
Won't you love me till the morning, love me in the evening, you know what I want. Won't you hold me like I'm yours, show me that I'm yours, you know just what I want. Won't you love me like the last time, like our time was right now, show me what it's about. Love me till the morning.
And here is another style that I came up with. I just roll up this to show this like a cold shoulder kind of outfit. I really love this dress because you can come up with so many styles if you're very creative. Ideas will just keep popping in and popping in, popping in and popping in. And I do not want to prolong this video, but I'm having a lot of fun recreating this, but I'm not going to prolong this video further. The idea is this dress can be styled so many ways and it can fit into different occasions. It's a bridesmaid dress, that is what they call it on their website, but trust me, you can fit into any kind of occasion depending on how you want to style it. So look at this, I really like this style. Look at that, and this is the back.
Love me in the evening, you know what I want. I know I'm yours, baby, so come give me love. You know you're mine, baby, so come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this.
I'm moving around just to show you that the sleeve is sleeving. It's staying where it's supposed to stay. It's not moving around. It's not going to unwrap. See, look at that. So I'm going to go ahead and style with the tube. Now we have the tube on, so I'm going to just turn this into a tube dress.
Get her high every time we kiss, can't get enough, babe, so come give me love, all of your love. Won't you love me till the morning, love me in the evening, you know what I want. Won't you hold me like I'm yours, show me that I'm yours, you know just what I want. Won't you love me like the last time, like
finish up. So go ahead and put this at the back and just flip it to the front.
the time was right now, show me what it's about. Love me till the morning, love me in the evening, you know what I want, all of your love.
So this is the last style. It's just like the other one that I created, but the difference from this one to the other one is that we have a tube at the front, so you don't have to worry if anything is going to be showing. Nothing is going to show if you want to cover the front, so you just put the tube on. I think that's the idea of the tube. For people that don't want to reveal too much of skin, you put the tube and you go ahead and begin to do your restyling. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this. I already lap it at the back. See, we'll go ahead and lap. That's the back, and here is how the back is looking. This is like very conservative, like, you know, very modest. I love it. So you could style this dress anyhow you want it. If you want to reveal a lot of skin, if you want to reveal just a little, if you want to reveal a lot. Yes, this dress is actually what it says it is. Infinity dress by 72 Styles. Thank you all so much for watching, ladies. Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, and please endeavor to share with your friends and family. They might find it entertaining, informative, or educative. You never can tell. Thank you all so much for watching, and until next time, I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.